Hello, this very rural setting is Henryków Lubanski, very close to the border with Germany, and the tree I've got here in front of me, surrounded by scaffolding, is the oldest tree in Poland, and I've been meaning to come here for a very long time to see it, and today I have the opportunity to do so. And so one can also have another younger tree grown here. So it says there's cameras up and don't touch the fencing. Oh, I must admit, for what I was expecting, maybe I was expecting something else. So, but I knew it was beside a building. That tree has been through quite a lot. There was a couple of major battles fought in this area in 18th and 19th centuries, but in 1945, that's something I know a lot more about. There were some very, very serious battles then, and it's been damaged twice. And so, Henryków Lubanski, I think it said Śląski earlier, sorry, Henryków Lubanski. And so it's what, about 20 kilometers to the east of Zgorzelec. That's all. This tree is a common yew, and I don't know anything about trees, but I'll put some details below. We'll have to look that up somewhere else. So in 1911, this was part of Germany, and then it was considered, according to the book of the Cultural History of Crops by Ludwig Reinhardt, spelt with a T on the end, this was then considered to be the oldest tree in Germany. So isn't that good? Right, so in 1921 it was considered to be 1,400 years old, and there was a hurricane here in 1989 that lost one of its branches. Then, oh, there we go. So we have it there written up, lots of details there, and so it gives a Taxus baccata, which is the common yew, and so it's got its eagle. What are they? Their leaves, 2 to 3 centimeters in length. I won't bother with reading that to you. And this was called Katholisch Hennersdorf because the population was Catholic in an area where it was largely Protestant. There were 300 people live here, something like that. Here we've also got this. There's another picture showing what it looked like 1912, 2009, and it's been scaffolding since 2016. Should have come here earlier when I first started thinking about coming here. And there's even a car parking space. I wouldn't have had to park mine in a rather dodgy position had I known. I really like the surroundings. I like the sound of the animals, the hens, the cock crowing. This to me is sort of idyllic surroundings as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, you just think that tree's older than I am. Thanks for watching.